Chief of Police, ba't pinayagan mo? Walang commission officer. Binasa ko na nga ba't dagdagan mo ng preferably? Are you contesting this document? These people, or this PNP officer, should be cited in contempt na because they're lying. Now, itong colonel na to, yung former chief of police, is lying in front of this committee.
Mabigat to, Sergeant Trinidad. Dadali mo to habang buhay.
Now, usually, in former chief of police, ikaw ba ngayon na-relieve ka na? Colonel?
Na-relieve na po rin.
Na-relieve ka na. And during the time, who is the head? Who is the most higher officer during the time? Ikaw.
Ako po.
And then yung unit, di ba DEU sila? Nasa DEU sila? DEU?
Si Makaraigang...
Ikaw makaraig yung team leader doon?
Yes,
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala nang most senior sa'yo?
Wala na po, sir.
So ikaw lang?
Yes, sir.
So, hindi, kasi nung nakaraan sinong kasama niyo dito, mayroon ata isa na your position was,
Last time, sir, kasama din po si former COP.
Si Colonel Lintang was the chief of police. Tapos ang head ng
ikaw?
ng operations.
Supposedly, di ba, DEO dapat may NCO to eh. Dapat, di ba, may commission officer dapat? Sino yung immediate superior nila?
Your Honor, that time, Your Honor, wala pa pong commission officer na DEU kasi sinasubmit po namin yung mga pangalan na pwedeng gawing team leader ng DEU sa higher headquarters pero wala pa po kaya that time si Police Master Sergeant Macaraig po ang aming
PD, do you confirm this, PD?
Sir, as far as I can remember, sir, the Deputy Chief of Police of San Juan before or now was the Chief DEU. But during the time of the operation, he wasn't able to join since he was, I think 2 days pa lang yun sir, nung time na yun, matapos yung bagyo. So, sinamaan lasa, kaya the team was led by Macaraig during the operation. Pero merong Chief DEU talaga sir na station.
So, yung Chief DEU during the time has no knowledge about the operation?
Yes sir, hindi siya nakasama sir.
Hindi, iba yung nakasama, ibang yung knowledge.
Yes sir. Parang wala, sir. Wala. Wala, sir.
Colonel, tama po ba? Tama yung do you confirm the statement of PD na mayroon? But of course, that was 2 days. Nagabagyo din. Yung chief nila sa DEO, hindi nakasama. O hindi alam.
wala po talagang alam sir yung
Walang alam. Pero kanina, ikaw PD ha? Ikaw, Colonel ha? Kanina ka pa ha? Kanina tinanong kita, sabi mo walang head. Ito kinonfirm ni PD may head. Pero yung head was not there during the operation.
Hindi po sir, wala pong officer na team leader sir.
Team leaders operation, but they have the DEO head o chief.
Wala po sir.
Colonel, are you telling this committee that the provincial director is telling lie? Harap-harapan dito sa committee na to?
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Yes, PD.
Sir, as per my intelligence officer, Captain Go has yet to secure a vetting clearance or deputation coming from PDEA. I correct my previous statement, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. If I may,
Ito.
Okay.
Ito anyway, binigay na sa akin ni Chairman Acop, no? Kasi medyo kabisado niya dahil more than 30 years sa serbisyo. Ito, 6 and 12 lang ha, conduct of operation. Sa drugs to ha, napakalinaw po. All anti-illegal drug operations will be conducted by a team shall be led by a police commission officer. Chief of Police, ba't pinayagan mo? Walang commission officer.
Sir, sa pagkakaalam ko po, sir, preferably police commission officer, pero
No! Binasa ko na nga eh. Ba't dagdagan mo ng preferably? Are you contesting this document? This is an official document. And there's no word preferably. Ikaw sasama kita dito. Oh, linaw mo. So, this is also in violation, PDEA. PDEA RD. Oh, this is in violation of the operation manual. Ano mo?
Yes, sir.
Ano yun, sir?
For our PDEA unit, sir, it's led by our chief.
O yung sa police, part of the operation manual. Dapat may commission officer.
Okay, sir.
Oh, better file case against them. Para hindi lumabas na parang you're also protecting these scalawags. Oh, now, Chairman, can I proceed? Isa-isa ko lang to. Kasi, Mr. Chairman, ito
yeah.
manifestation na lang. Thank you, Chairman ako.
Okay.
Ito manifestation na lang.
No.
Mr. Chairman, actually, during the last hearing, supposedly, these people, or this PNP officer, should be cited in contempt na because they're lying.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, we never move to cite in contempt, Chairman Akop and me, because during the time we don't have a quorum. Now, we have a quorum.
Yes, Congressman Paduano, if I may, no?
Before
you...
I will not move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, all right.
I will hold my fire.
Okay.
Now, what I'm saying is, now, itong Colonel na to, yung former chief of police, is lying in front of this committee. When in fact, he's refuting the statement of the provincial director. That binasa ko, may preferably ka pa. Who taught you about the preferably? Just to make an excuse? You're lying. Mr. Chairman, I will hold my fire.
Yes,
Chairman,
please.
Our fire.
Because I'll be asking some question as well. And
thank
then
you.
I'll be recognizing you again. Okay, thank you so much. Jefferson, Sergeant Jefferson Trinidad, ikaw yung investigador, di ba? Nung kasong to. Together with Corporal Miko M. De Chavez. Asa si Miko De Chavez? Can you kindly sit here? Para, diyan ka na lang. Okay ka na dyan. Diyan ka sa upo sa may dulo. Okay. Kayo ang gumawa ng affidavit ng di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
We will be reminding you not to lie, because kapag napatunayan namin mamaya, I will be forced to include you doon sa will be cited in contempt. Please, Trinidad, I know the story. Okay. Kasama mo gawa si Corporal Miko De Chavez ng affidavit? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Wala ka sa crime scene?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sigurado? Hindi ka humila sa katawan ni Brian Laresma papunta sa red car?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi ka? Okay. I just wanted to tell you that so dito sa affidavit mo, sinasabi mo that yun na nga, nagkaroon ng bypass operation. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So lahat ng mga sinabi ni Mitzi, sinasabi mo na totoo. Correct?
Based po sa kanya pong statement.
Yes. At kaya nagkaroon ka ng affidavit. Kaya nga, nire-remind kita dahil ito yung affidavit na sinasabi mo na kino-confirm mo yung ginawa ni Mitzi.
Yes,
I would like to tell everybody, especially those who feel na hindi talaga totoo yung nangyari. At alam nyo wala kayong kasalanan, this is your chance to tell the truth. Otherwise, you will be included. Believe us. Okay? I will show you a video. Okay? Can you kindly, ito, sinasabi, that binaril, pagbaba, at walang baril si Brian. You know him, Trinidad. You know this guy. You know him very well. Go ahead.
Tapos, nakita ko, medyo
Pakilakas lang ng konti.
Ginaanan ko po siya Tapos, nakita ko, may kasunod po siyang kotse. Sa kotseng walang plaka. Una pala Tapos, kita ko, may bumaba sa likod ng pintong bandang kanan. medyo may kababaan, nung bigla na lang pong binaril sa Brian. Narinig ko po, sumisig ko po yung kapatid. Bakit mo binaril ang kapatid ko? Bakit mo binaril ang kapatid ko? Anong kasalanan ng kapatid ko? Di ako naman po, sa sobrang di ako naman po tumuloy na po sa aking lakad. Wala po akong nakitang baril ng Brian at wala rin, yung pong tao yun, hindi po, mabait po yung taong yun. Hindi po, sa kapwa. Hindi ako marunong manlamang sa kapwa. Kaya po, yun yung napakabait po ng batang yun. Wala pong armas, hindi po nag-armas po yun. Okay po. Yun lang po. Kuya. Thank you po.
Sergeant Jefferson, kilala mo yung boses ni Franklin?
Hindi ko po ma-recognize, Your Honor, pero tinanggal po, Your Honor, yung...
Kapatid mo si Franklin?
Opo, may kapatid po akong
Yes, kapatid mo siya. At sinasabi niya, pagbaba ni Michi, binaril niya. Agad. At walang baril si Brian. Si Franklin, saka si Brian, magkaibigan. Yung kapatid mo, kaibigan ni Brian. Alam mo to. At kahit pamilya mo, again, sa ginagawa mo, we know that you love your work. But you listen to your family. You listen to your brother. Hahayaan mo ba na kapatid mo magte-testify dito against you? Ha? We will call. We will call. But don't place yourself in a predicament that you will regret. Yung mga kasama kayo, magkakasama kayo ngayon. Time will come, maghihiwa-hiwalay kayo. Magkakaroon kayo ng panibagong hepe. Magkakaroon kayo ng bagong promotion. Makakalimutan nyo to. But we know the pressure na nararamdaman ninyo. Pero it's between the love of your family and the love of your work, Trinidad. Andun ka. Ikaw nga humila para isakay sa sasakyan, sa pula. Di ba? Yes or no? You can change your
No po, Your Honor.
Paninindigan mo talaga.
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi magkasama po kami ni Police Corporal Mico de Chavez sa Investigation Section.
Corporal Chavez, you are under oath. So, saan nyo ginawa itong affidavit na to? Anong oras nyo nalaman? Anong oras nyo nalaman yung nangyaring insidente?
Your Honor.
Yes.
7:30 PM po, sir, tinawagan po kami ng team leader na si PMSG Macaraig.
So, 6:00 pa lang magkasama na kayo ni Trinidad. Magkasama na kayo. Ha?
That day, Your
Kasi
Honor.
si Trinidad andun sa crime scene, ha? If we found out that you are lying as well, we will be citing you in contempt as well. Tanda mo yan, Corporal Chavez. Paninindigan mo rin. Nakasama mo siya sa police station. Magkasama kayo sa police station.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. Paninindigan nyo. Sige. Karandang. Sergeant Karandang.
Morning, sir.
Naka-duty ka ba nung araw na yan?
Yes, sir.
Duty ka.
Yes po.
At kung may pagpapatunay na hindi ka naka-duty doon, na nakita ka sa ibang lugar, paninindigan mo pa rin ang sinasabi mo na duty ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Klaro tayo dyan, ha? Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you so much. Si Patrolman J. Mark Carpio.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning po.
Patrolman. Okay. Nasaan ka? Saan ka nakasakay during that time? Sa red car? O sa green car?
Sa green car, Your Honor.
Sa green car ka na nakasakay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa green car ka nakasakay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino kalapit mo doon?
Bali po, Your Honor, sa likod po ako ng aming team leader.
Correct. Sinong kalapit mo doon?
Media po at saka po barangay.
So, kalapit mo si Dante Magpantay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Si Dante Magpantay na nagsabi na 8:00 siya pumunta doon sa bridge, ha? Kalapit mo sila doon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kalapit mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. Alright. So, punta tayo kay La Rosa. Corporal La Rosa, bagong-bago lang kayo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Saan ka nakasakay? Sa red car o sa green car?
Sa motor po, Your Honor.
Sa motor ka. Paninindigan mo rin na talagang nasa motor ka.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. Paninindigan mo yan, ha? Okay. Sige, pakita na natin yung video nung dumating si Adrian Laresma doon sa area na 6:28 p.m. Ando na sila sa area. So ito yung ginamit nyo na kung saan nakasakay si Michi, saka si Makaraig, at yung sa green car na nauna, nakasakay si Trinidad, si Carpio, La Rosa, at isang asset. At ito naman, yung kapatid ni Trinidad, na may-ari siya, nakasakay siya sa e-bike. Ayan ang kapatid niya. Oops, tigil. Hindi natin nakita. Yan si Franklin Pangking Trinidad, na kapatid mo. Di ba? Meron siya e-bike?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Correct. Sige, tuloy pa. At yan si Adrian Laresma. Oops. 6:18, dumaan na. Nauna ang kapatid mo, andun sa crime scene, at sinasabi niya sa video niya, nakita niya. Binaril si Brian Laresma nang bumaba si Michi. At walang baril si Brian Laresma. Kapatid mo nagsabi, Jefferson. At mamaya, kung gusto mo, pakikita ko sa iyo yung long video ng kapatid mo. Nakakalungkot dahil talagang magsisinungaling kayo ng todo para...
Depensa nila yan.
Yeah, we know. And they have signed their affidavit. But sayang kayo. Si Karandang, La Rosa, si Carpio, Trinidad, si Chavez. Kasama ka dito, kasama kayo. Maniwala kayo. Sayang. We have given you the chance, no? We have given you the chance. Especially si Franklin, yung kapatid mo, yung midget, di ba? Midget siya eh. Nag-lunch pa siya kay Brian. It was confirmed by all those people who were eating together with Brian and Franklin. Magkaibigan sila eh. At pagdating doon sa bridge, tinanong pa niya si Brian, anong ginagawa mo dito? Imi-meet ko yung kapatid ko eh. And he was testifying na mabait si Brian. Nagte-testify yung kapatid mo. Mabigat to, Sergeant Trinidad. Dadali mo to habang buhay. Kayo, dadali niyo to. Hayaan mo rin si Makaraig sa kasi Michi Perez. Pero kayong tatlo, sayang kayo.